What's the meaning of civility? Civility. Civility.
Civility. Civility. Civility refers to polite and respectful behavior towards others, especially in social situations. It involves showing consideration for others' feelings and opinions, even if we disagree with them. Being civil means avoiding insults, name-calling, and other forms of verbal aggression. Instead, we communicate in a way that fosters mutual understanding and cooperation. The result of practicing civility is a more harmonious and productive society, where people are able to work together towards common goals despite their differences. It also allows individuals to feel respected and valued, leading to greater happiness and well-being.